I'm finally bringing you this video because I've managed to find an Uber Eats promo code that's actually worth using and is going to save you a meaningful amount of money. So I was searching online on my laptop and on my mobile phone for a few hours trying to find a Uber Eats discount code for 2024. And I've managed to find one, guys. This is the best that I've discovered. Let me just scratch my face. Sorry about that, guys. This is the best I've discovered, and it literally takes a few minutes. Apologies for the background noise. That is my laundry finishing up. So after this video, I'm going to have to go and empty that, which is a pain. Nevertheless, let's get into it, guys. You need to use a mobile phone. So you can see I've opened up the internet. I'm using a spare iPhone that I've got. Doesn't matter which phone you have. Go to www.robotcoupons.com. Robot coupons, guys. Make sure you spell it correctly. ROBOTCOUPONS. Now, this is a coupon code website. They have game codes as well. You need to basically hit that search bar at the top of the screen and search for Uber Eats. Basically type Uber Eats and it's going to pop up here. Uber Eats free credit and food coupons. Now, you can actually get a Uber Eats promo code for $100 of account credit. You can get your next 3 Uber Eats food orders for free. And you just have to select your code. And as you can see, guys, these coupons are limited in number. So get on this whilst they're available. Now, because of the of how much money this is actually going to get you, you need to unlock your code, and this prevents people from basically getting thousands of dollars worth. So you need to unlock your Uber Eats discount code. So tap on unlock code. Now, I don't want to waste these codes. Like I said, they are limited and I don't need any more account credit. So I'm just going to cancel that. But you're going to see a new screen once that reaches 100%. And it's going to tell you how you can go about unlocking your Uber Eats promo code. It will take you about 5 to 10 minutes, but it is pretty easy. Just follow all of the instructions that you see, guys. You will need to probably complete a couple of these verification tasks. Once you've done that, your code will be revealed and you can redeem it in the app or on the website for $100 Uber Eats account credit. So that is the best Uber Eats promo code. Now that washing machine in the background is really starting to annoy me, so I'm going to go and empty that. But go to Robot Coupons, guys, search for the Uber Eats page and enjoy your Uber Eats promo codes in 2024.